just before, like I am 20 kilometers before this Hisar, and there you can clearly see, the visuals could be clearly seen. These are the farmers moving towards the Hisar. And I'll ask my video journalist to give you the 360 view of the area. It is looking like that the 26th January is being repeated, and there you can see the same kind of picture which was seen in the national capital on 26th of January. So these are the farmers who are reaching to the Hisar, and let me tell you, there they are going to assemble in a ground, and from there they have planned to gherao the commissioner. They are looking for action against the police. Let me remind you that what happened, that this was the Haryana Chief Minister when he was going in a program. They were trying to gherao him earlier, and later this was the action which was taken against the farmers, and now the farmers moving towards the Hisar. These are the visuals. I'll ask my video journalist to continue with the visuals and to give you the sense. So this is after the Hisar toll. At this point in time, one side of the road has been already blocked. Let me tell you, the people are moving from the other bay, and there you can clearly see 26th January visuals repeated again, and there are numbers of farmers with their tractor, trolleys, cars, jeeps moving toward Hisar. We have to see what exactly is the arrangement ahead. What we have been told, there are some barricading which has been done where they are going to stop, but numbers of farmers is going to assemble in a ground near the Jat College in Hisar, what we have been told. And there the visuals are speaking themselves how the numbers of farmers, these are more than thousands of farmers who are moving toward the Hisar, and this exactly is the these are the visuals you can clearly see on your screen, the visuals coming in just before the Hisar. I am 20 kilometers ahead of Hisar, and there we'll continue with the pictures. I'll ask my video journalist to give you the sense continuously what is happening on the road. So this is to see what exactly is going to happen there. What we have been told, numbers of farmers have already reached there in the ground in the Hisar where they're going to assemble, and we have to see the arrangement. Number of police personnel has been deployed, the forces has been deployed, but on the other hand, the farmers could be clearly seen who are again repeating the visuals which we have seen on 26th of January in the national capital. So this is to see, wait and watch how they are going to stop, whether they are going to stop there at the Hisar. My colleague Sumi is also with me. Sumi, if you can give us the sense what exactly is happening at the Singhu border.
Yes, absolutely, Anuj. At Singhu border, the situation remains the same as it was 6 months back. And in fact, we have a farmer also joining us here. And he has his opinions on the extension of the farmers' protest and the May 26th, the entire roundup to mark the 6 months of their protest, which started on November 26th last year. सर, मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगी कि आप लोग अभी 26 में जाने का तैयारी कर रहे हैं और आप लोग दिल्ली की तरफ बढ़ने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं।
पूरी मत से हमें पीरपानियों को भी ट्रैक्टर सिखा रहे हैं और सिखा रहे हैं, दिल्ली में घुसेंगे, जो कुछ होगा हो जाएगा। हम पूरा प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं।
प्लानिंग क्या किया है आप लोगों ने?
आपने प्लानिंग यह किया है, ट्रैक्टर आगे जाएंगे, पीरपानी को आगे रखेंगे, हम पीछे रहेंगे।
आप पीछे रहेंगे?
पीछे रहेंगे।
कितने आदमी हो सकते हैं पूरे इस तैयारी में?
कम से कम 1-1.5 लाख रुपया, 1-1.5 लाख मानस हो जाएंगे।
लेकिन कोविड है अंकल, कोविड है, मास्क नहीं पहने हैं और दूरी का भी मेंटेन नहीं कर रहे हैं बिल्कुल, तो वैसे में आप लोगों को खतरा नहीं है?
कोई खतरा नहीं हमारे को।
क्यों?
कुछ भी नहीं होएगा हमारे को, हिम्मत है, मेहनत करते हैं हम, इसलिए कुछ नहीं हो सकता हमारे को। हम हिम्मत से लड़ेंगे और हिम्मत से रहेंगे।
और आप लोग यहाँ से कब जाएंगे? क्योंकि 11 राउंड हो चुका है, गवर्नमेंट से बातचीत कर चुके हैं आप लोग, वो सारा फेल हो चुका है, तो अब आप लोग यहाँ पर कितने दिन और बैठने का सोच रहे हैं?
इतने हमारा फैसला नहीं होगा, इतने हम यहीं जम के रहेंगे और रोडों को भी रोकेंगे, और तैयारी में मंडेंगे हम, सब कहीं को जाम कर देंगे। ये पीरपानियों को आगे हटाएंगे, हम पीछे रहेंगे।
आप लोग पीछे रहेंगे?
पीछे रहेंगे।
आप कहाँ से हैं?
हम सोनीपत से।
सोनीपत से कितने आदमी होंगे आपके साथ?
हाँ, हमारे साथ 10,000 आदमी हैं यहाँ सोनीपत से, हर एक बॉर्डर पे है सोनीपत का आदमी हरियाणा का।
As we heard from the farmer that he is here along with 10,000 different men from Sonipat, where he belongs. And in fact, this is the situation. I would also like to request my video journalist Bhishma to kindly zoom in the camera and show as to how the protest still remains the same. In fact, let me also tell our audience that 11 rounds of talks with the government officials have failed miserably, and the talks got over on the January 22nd, and they concluded it saying that the talks were not moving in the right direction, which is why inconclusively it has been ended. But to mark the 6 months of this protest, in a convoy of 2,000 vehicles slowly will start moving. And in fact, the Singhu border, the farmers will start moving tomorrow early morning, and they will have a convoy of 2,000 vehicles as well. And there, as we see, the farmers protest, braving the weather, but they are also defying the COVID protocols. None of them have been wearing their masks. None of them know how to maintain the social distancing norms as well. They believe that the coronavirus does not exist and will not harm them. As we spoke to the farmer, this farmer also didn't actually don any of the masks, which is certainly not only dangerous for his life, but also for the men around him. And in fact, this Singhu border has become a super spreader event, because the men around the villages here at different borders such as Singhu, Tikri, Dhasa and also Shahjahanpur in Rajasthan, Haryana also come to become a part of this agitation. And we had also heard that how 2 men lost their lives of COVID. In fact, one of them was tested COVID positive in the antigen test. So this certainly proves that the Singhu border, which has been openly and very bluntly defying the COVID protocols, has certainly become a very, very dangerous event for the people, not only joining and being a part of the protest, but also for the villagers around Singhu, Tikri, Ghazipur, all these borders where the protest has been in place since the last 6 months. And the event that we will look forward to, that is on the May 26th. A lot of vehicles are going to be a part of it. And in fact, Anuj has been already reporting as to how the situation already looks like the 26th January celebrations. And in fact, the celebration and how entirely it defied the COVID protocol norms back then also, and how it posed as a major, major crisis for the entire nation. So this farmers' protest has become such an event which is not only controversial in many ways, but it also exist in a way that they will not move until the government bends to their demands. And in fact, they've been asking for the complete eradication of the draconian law, as they call it, the agricultural 3 farm laws that the government put in place, and the farmers have been fighting against it since the last 6 months. 11 rounds of talks ended inconclusively, which is a bad news, because the farmers are not going to budge from this very point until the government really gives in to their demand. Anuj.
All right, Sumi, as you're pointing out, obviously, farmers not wanting to listen to the government. Now, despite calls that have been made by various state governments as well as the central government that, gathering at the borders perhaps could become a super spreader event, farmers not wanting to budge. But give us a sense of what the government is planning to do now, because, the point is that despite appeals made from the Chief Minister of Haryana, from the Chief Minister of Punjab, farmers still continuing to begin moving in large numbers towards the Singhu and the Tikri borders.
Yeah, Nupur, the government has tried its best. In fact, the government has, given so many invitations for the farmers to hold conclusive talks, but all of them ended inconclusively. And the farmers and the government in unison ended the talks on June 22nd, because the talks were not moving in the right direction and also progressively. But the government has been giving out invitations to the farmers to hold these discussions, so the farmers can actually go to their respective destinations from which they have arrived, and have been sitting and braving the weather since 6 months. Winters have passed by, now summers, we're in the middle of a summer and also in the middle of a pandemic. So it is very, very, fatal for these farmers to be a part of it, because none of the farmers have been wearing their masks. In fact, none of them have been vaccinated as well. We also spoke to a few farmers a few days back. They believe that coronavirus does not exist, and a few farmers have also gone back to their villages, got them vaccinated. But we don't have any sources to verify that information, because we don't see any testing facilities established inside the protest. We're right now 8 to 10 kilometers inside the Singhu border, and we haven't seen any of the testing facility here, and none of the vaccination centers have also
as you're pointing out, Sumi, so, hence this is a situation that could perhaps go out of hand if law enforcement doesn't move in quickly, or, farmers on their own don't decide to call off the protest. But, Anuj was reporting earlier from Haryana. He was in Hisar, where thousands of farmers are now moving towards Hisar. He sent us this report earlier.
Well, these are the visuals which we are getting just before, I'm 20 kilometers before this Hisar, and there you can clearly see, the visuals could be clearly seen. These are the farmers moving towards the Hisar. And I'll ask my video journalist to give you the 360 view of the area. It is looking like that the 26th January is being repeated, and there you can see the same kind of picture which was seen in the national capital on 26th of January. So these are the farmers who are reaching to the Hisar, and let me tell you, there they are going to assemble in a ground, and from there they have planned to gherao the commissioner. They are looking for action against the police. Let me remind you that what happened, that this was the Haryana Chief Minister when he was going in a program. They were trying to gherao him earlier, and later this was the action which was taken against the farmers. And now the farmers moving toward the Hisar. These are the visuals. I'll ask my video journalist to continue with the visuals and to give you the sense. So this is after the Hisar toll. At this point in time, one side of the road has been already blocked. Let me tell you, the people are moving from the other bay, and there you can clearly see 26th January visuals repeated again, and there are numbers of farmers with their tractor, trolleys, cars, jeeps moving toward Hisar. We have to see what exactly is the arrangement ahead. What we have been told, there are some barricading which has been done where they are going to stop, but numbers of farmers is going to assemble in a ground near the Jat College in Hisar, what we have been told. And there the visuals are speaking themselves how the numbers of farmers, these are more than thousands of farmers who are moving toward the Hisar, and this exactly is the these are the visuals you can clearly see on your screen, the visuals coming in just before the Hisar. I am 20 kilometers ahead of Hisar, and there we'll continue with the pictures. I'll ask my video journalist to give you the sense continuously what is happening on the road. So this is to see what exactly is going to happen there. What we have been told, numbers of farmers have already reached there in the ground in the Hisar where they're going to assemble, and we have to see the arrangement. Number of police personnel has been deployed, the forces has been deployed, but on the other hand, the farmers could be clearly seen who are again repeating the visuals which we have seen on 26th of January in the national capital. So this is to see, wait and watch how they are going to stop, whether they are going to stop there at the Hisar. My colleague Sumi.
Well, let's go back to Anuj, who joins me on the phone line now. Anuj, we just saw your report over there with, thousands of these farmers wanting to march towards Haryana. We are told that they will, of course, assemble at the Jat College in Hisar in Haryana. Anuj, if you can hear me, give us a sense of the preparedness as far as Hisar is concerned. How prepared is the administration to deal with this onslaught of, what numbers suggest could perhaps be about 1 lakh farmers gathering in Hisar?
Well, exactly, this is going to be around 1 lakh farmers, as we have shown the visuals earlier from the Hisar toll plaza, and there also I can show you the visuals that's continuing on our screen. Like at this point in time, we are entering Hisar, and there you can clearly see the numbers of farmers. This is more than 5,000 farmers we are seeing on the roads from their tractor, trolleys, trucks, buses, jeeps and cars. So this is going to be numbers, if we talk about more than 1 lakh what we are expecting in Hisar, where they are planning to gherao the commissioner there in the Hisar. On the other hand, if we talk about the preparedness from the administration, what we have been told, that the forces have been deployed, that the police personnel has been deployed, the administration is also keeping a very tight eye on the ground that no miscreancies should take place on the ground. But on the other hand, these are the visuals which we have seen earlier also on the streets of the national capital. capital, and now it seems like to be that something has been repeated on the streets of Hisar and the highway from where I was coming. Like if we talk about Hisar toll plaza, after crossing the toll plaza, we can see numbers of farmers who are moving towards the Hisar. So at this point in time, we are also en route towards the ground where they are going to assemble. What we have been told that near Jat College there is a ground in Hisar where they have called everyone. They are going to assemble there, and from there they are planning to march towards the commissioner office.
Okay.
So we have to see whether they will be stopped at that very ground. What exactly is the arrangement there at the ground is. On the other hand, what we have been told that numbers of people and numbers of protesters have already reached at the commissioner office also. So there also the police is taking care of. The police personnel has been deployed, but this is to see, wait and watch how this situation is going to be tackled, how this situation is going to be controlled by the administration. On the other hand, yes, deployment is there, but the numbers of farmers at this point in time is increasing, because earlier, let me remind you, these were the farmers in the national capital who were sitting at different area, at the different borders of the national capital. But now this time the call has been taken from Haryana itself. So the farmers from different location of Haryana,
Anuj, just to give us viewers a sense of what we are expecting right now, of course, is that security has been stepped up in the Hisar district as farmers are now planning to picket the residence of a senior police officer. Now, just to tell our viewers that farmers are protesting against police cases that have been lodged against about 350 farmers, and in protest, these farmers are now marching towards Hisar. Now, they will gather at grounds in Hisar, and thereafter they are looking to go ahead and picket the residences of senior police officers. This is in protest against criminal cases that have been lodged by the Haryana police against about 350 protesting farmers. Let me go back to Anuj now. Anuj, we are told that there has been a massive security deployment as far as the Haryana government is concerned. They have put in place about 300 companies of the Rapid Action Force to ensure that the situation doesn't get out of hand. Now, give us a sense of what you are hearing, what you are seeing on the ground in terms of security arrangements.
Well, as we were telling this to our viewers earlier also, that there is going to be a ground, rather there is a ground near the Jat College in Hisar, which is going to be the assemble point of the farmers whosoever coming from the national capital or from the borders or from the nearby area of the Hisar. The call has been taken to assemble there, and from there, this is planned that they are going to march toward the commissioner residence or the senior police official's residence. So if we talk about the deployment, then yes, as you are pointing it out very rightly, the police personnel has been deployed. More than 300 personnel of RAF, that's Rapid Action Force, is also deployed. So the forces has been already deployed to control the situation, to look into the situation that nothing should go out of the hand, because we have seen what exactly has happened if we talk about such kind of movement on the 26th of January. So this should not be repeated in Hisar. To take care of the same, now the heavy deployment of the police and the forces is already being done. And if we talk about this particular episode, then we are telling this to our viewers that what exactly is happening and why this is happening. As you were telling it, that there was a complaint which was registered against around 350 farmers who were protesting and were trying to gherao Manohar Lal Khattar, that's the Haryana Chief Minister, in a program. And after that, now these farmers are looking action against the police personnel, again the top brasses of the police there in the Hisar and Haryana, and to work out for this particular action on this action, and to take action against the police personnel who have taken action and registered the complaint against the farmers. This particular protest today has been called, and this is going to be, again I'm telling, at the ground where they are going to assemble, and from there the plan is to march toward the commissioner residence, march toward the top brasses of the top officials of the police there in Hisar, to gherao them and to register their protest over there at the commissioner office. But this is to see how exactly they are going to stop, what exactly is going to be the area, rather they will be stopped at the ground only, or will they be allowed to move toward the commissioner residence of the office. Yes.
Okay. absolutely, Anuj, as you're pointing out, we'll have to wait and watch for how that situation pans out in Haryana. But security personnel have been deployed in large numbers to contain any situation if it were to escalate out of control. For the moment, Anuj, thank you very much for joining us.